Hi sisters! So today's tutorial I'm going to be sharing with you how I straighten my natural hair. So if you want to see exactly how I've achieved this look, keep watching. I start with my hair freshly washed from the night before, and all I've used was water and Kuza to help me braid the intersection. I'm then going to unbraid one section and carefully detangle the end. Then I will blow dry this area just to make the straightening process easier. If the section that you unbraided is too big, remember to divide it in two so you can work with a smaller section in order to easily straighten your hair. So I begin to straighten my hair now using my wide tooth comb to help me, and also remembering to use low heat when you're straightening your hair to avoid damage. Once that section is done, I'm just going to loosely twist that section just to help me work with the other sections. Be very careful on how you straighten your hair, especially the tips of your hair. Remember, the ends and tips of your hair are the most fragile part of the hair strand. Now, when you get to the ends of the hair with your straightener, avoid pressing too hard against the straightener when you get to that section. This will only help you minimize breakage and will avoid heat damage. So that's it, guys. So I'm done with the straightening. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to untwist this section, comb it out, and just enjoy my hair, style it as I want, and I'm ready to go. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please remember to like or comment, suggest, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.